Alright, I'm back here now after a long time off YouTube. What I'll be doing is I've just been working on cars and stuff, trying to get the air cleaned out. I'm going back on the transit now. I'm hoping to get everything done this week, so next weekend I'll start on the transit, doing the Mark 6 to Mark 7 face lift. I just thought I'd do a quick video on this. I bought a cheap China plastic welder. So I have a car out there with headlight bust on it, and it was cheaper to buy this. It was only well, there's only one tab broke on it, and then I broke another tab taking it off. So it was cheaper to buy this and fix the headlight just to see what it's like. So I think it was 35 euros delivered, and I'm in the west of Ireland. I think it comes with 50 of these each. Staples. So I'm just going to give it a go, and this is the bracket of a window wiper motor for a back window. So I'm just going to try and I don't actually need, I could just it was broke in the car, I took it off a parts car, so it doesn't really make a big difference, but I'm going to give it a go well and see what it's like. I could just glue it, but I'm just going to see how it goes. Alright, so I'm just going to plug everything in and get it warmed up. I haven't read the instructions because they're all in Chinese. So I think that way it's cold till I press this cheap old button here. I think that's it. That's melting fast. Whew. So once you get inside the plastic you want to get inside, you give it a twist. I should be wearing a mask, this so fucking stinks. That bit worked. That was them big staples. Let's see what else is in here. Must be to go around corners. Holy fuck. Not that one. This is a smaller wiggle compared to the last one. To get that in somewhere. I'm gonna go along that crack down there. Like, you're quite impressed the way it is worked though. Oh, I went right the way through that one. Fucker. I don't have one there, so I'm gonna try and get one in there. Seems to work fairly well for something so cheap. Jeez, close your eyes and you're fucking snipping these off. Actually, that is really stiff. That's worked really well. But it does come with it as well. There's a plastic welder, and you can use if you look up things like plastic bumpers, you can buy this plastic, but you have to match it. But if you look, you just Google what it is, like a 2-litre milk carton, the plastic ones, that's the same plastic as some of the bumpers. So if you just look it up, you could just use strip that up and use it, depending on what you're using. So that's the crackle on there. So I'm just gonna seal down that first, I think. See how this goes. Oh my god, that's actually really strong. Well worth it. I'll come back when I do the headlight. That is solid. Unbelievable. I'm just doing this other headlight. I polished up that headlight quick. I didn't sand it down really, I just buffed it out. Seems to do a fairly good job. That was it beforehand. Job here now is this. Where the fuck is this going in? I want to hear that. Try and get it set up where the light is a bit better. This one is broken, a little bit of skin holding on. See how this one goes. Use the big wired one. I just try not push in too far. Try this on camera. Geez, that's solid. Fucking hell. That's very good. Do now just try and weld it up, flatten it off. I could get it nice by just going over the top of it like this, but I want to make sure I get the it melted in on the bottom as well. That's actually coming out right. It's actually quite good. This tab, there's a big bit missing. There should be another plastic piece like this going up this side. So I'm just going to stick this on, and I might cut a bit off an old tail light there. I think I just do a bit of a patchwork on it. I'm going to use the thicker one. That is gone all the way through. Problem I'm having with the big ones, they're bowing in the middle, they're not fitting in here right. These fit a bit better. Might just spread them out a bit. I'm putting it in, what it's doing is it's going in like that. It's making this bit go through before that's even melted in. So I'm going to spread these out a small bit, see if that'll make a difference. Hopefully they don't break anything. Near enough the same. Put the point on this now and just weld them down because they're loose. Pure luck the way that broke. Kind of half the shape of it. Yeah, that works out perfect. Going back to these smaller ones. They don't bend as much.
That all in place for now. Up here, up there.
Thought I'd video this. The rest of this headlight. This is just a softback sponge. I'm just keying up the surface, trying to get all the dirt. You can see all that dust is yellow. Just dirt. The top layer of plastics and all scratches. Should run over this with like a 1000 grit here. See if I get any of the marks out. It's 1500 grit. The 2000. Big stone chips in it that I'd have to go with a heavier grit at the beginning to get it out. That's it, back in the car, done.